Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. I have found such a great smelling perfume that I want to tell you all about. This is the Banana Republic 83 Leather Reserve, and it smells wonderful. To me, I smell notes of leather, wood, and spice. For me personally, it has more of a masculine feel. This is a perfume that my husband uses, and I think it smells great on him. It also has good reach, so you can smell that beautiful smell from a bit of a distance, which is really nice. And it means you really only need a little spray or two to really smell great. I also love this bottle. It has a really solid, heavy feel. The top also is nice and solid and heavy, and it just looks really nice. So overall, my husband and I are both very pleased with this product, and that's my point of view.